So today we'll be coming up with a hot topic, face emotion detection. So many of us are trying to implement this face emotion detection over Streamlit and deploy it over web, but this is not possible just because of the reason that when we are connecting the webcam on our local system, it will directly take the input, but when we are on server, our application is deployed over server and we want our input from our webcam, then the browser need to send some data. Just because of this problem, we are not able to deploy the application over web, or even after deploying the application is not working. So Streamlit has recently developed one of the component for this web streaming. So today I'll be showing you how to implement that web streaming and detect our face emotion using custom trained CNN model. So this is the application I have. So let's see the home page. This is the real-time face emotion detection application. The application detect face and emotion of a particular person. Okay, so we'll start directly with the functionality of the application. This is the component developed by Streamlit. So we'll just start. We have to click on start, and this will ask for permissions, and I'm only giving permission for asking for microphone permission as well. So let's just allow it. So after giving permission, the window will expand and you will see your live webcam working over here. So let's see if it detect my face or not. Yes, it has detected my face. Let me just go and mute this. No, I can't do this. So now you can see that it is detecting my face and it's neutral inside. Let me just try for a happy face right now. Yeah, it's detecting my happy face also. So let's stop this right now and we'll start with only face detection application. So right now I'm not able to deploy the application. Even after doing a complete code, I'm not able to deploy it properly. After deploying, the application is not working with this. I don't know what's the reason why it's not sending the data, but I'll check it. I'm working on it. We'll just stop this one and we'll see only face detection. This face detection is working fine, and when I try to send the data to my custom CNN model, it stopped detecting face over web when it's deployed over server. I think this one is having access for our webcam, so no, it's not detecting. Let's just stop and start again. Right now I'm running this application on my local server. Put device are correctly selected. I think one of the application is using this one. Let me just reload the application. Okay, and go with the face detection right now, and we'll start with it. Asking for permission. You can see it detected my face. And just stop this one and again go to. Now we'll move to the code section. So this is the code. I just imported all the dependencies. This is the Streamlit web RTC component which allows us to perform web streaming in the Streamlit application. Then I loaded my model. This is the emotion dictionary, which consists of classes of emotions, and then I loaded the model, then I loaded the weight of the classifier model, and then tried to detect the face using face cascade. Loaded this one, and here we get this class video transformer. This will help us to like stream the video using Streamlit application. Then here we get the image in the format of PGR. Then I just converted the image to grayscale, and then after converting it I have detected the face. Then I have put a rectangle over the face and extracted the region of interest area. If the region of interest area is not 0, then the classifier will be going to predict the emotions, and after predicting the emotions I just converted the emotion into a string and displayed it over the text over our box. So this is the application code, this is the main code. You can go over my GitHub link and check this code, and this all the code for Streamlit decoration, application decoration. So that's all for today, and I hope recently I'll publish one more application for this capturing the face and then analyzing the emotion, age, gender and race using this Streamlit web component. And I'll also be sharing one more video with you all, how to train your custom CNN model for face emotion detection. And this is my first video. If I done any mistake, please ignore all those. Thanks and bye bye.